All right, let's take a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
I have been working with the multinational company from last 2 years, but I'm still student.
Okay, so let's take a start. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have a lots of friends. We meet together. Get together on a different event, so that's why I have a lots.
Okay, just try to answer in a proper way. For example, do you have many friends? Yes, I do. In fact, I've got a very large circle of friends and I often meet them. Sometimes we socialize inside and otherwise we go outdoors. So to answer your question, I've got a big circle of friends. Something like that, okay? So first answer the question directly, 2 to 3 sentences, and then at the end conclude your answer. Let's go on. How often do you talk to your friends?
I mostly talk to my friend with on social media like WhatsApp.
My question is not how. My question is how often do you talk to your friends? I talk to my friends every day. We have a WhatsApp group of all my friends, and there we connect with each other and we often chat there. On the other hand, once or twice a day, I call my friends as well. So, to answer your question, I communicate with my friends on the daily basis.
Okay.
Understand? How often do you talk to your friend? Now answer again. How often do you talk to your friends?
I often talk to my friend when we get together, and mostly we have a groups. So that's one group we talk to each other on different topics.
Okay, how do you communicate with your friends? How do you communicate? Now you can talk about WhatsApp, social media, mobile phone,
So
Facebook.
I have a different apps, so I talk to them on social media, WhatsApp, on Twitter.
Okay, on Twitter or Freeter?
Twitter.
Twitter. All right. What do you think makes people have a long friendship?
I think it makes you a good friends, and it's a very good.
I mean, the
for us.
qualities of good friendship. First of all,
shows-
sincerity is very important in long friendship. If you are sincere. Secondly, talk about second thing. Finally, this is called signpost language. So use some signpost language. First of
Okay.
all, secondly, finally, and all that. Okay. How do people make friends these days?
Nowadays, people friends
People make friends.
people makes friends through WhatsApp, Facebook, on Twitter. So therefore, this they make a friend.
Okay, your answer is lacking proper content and your answers are short. How do people make friends these days? People make friends on a variety of platforms these days. First of all, social media, and I think Facebook is number one there. People often come across new people, and that causes the friendships to be made there. On the other hand, some people make friendships live as they go to any educational institute and there they meet new people,
Okay.
and this is how the friendships are made these days. Just like this, okay?
Okay, sir.
One last question. Do you prefer to spend time with your friends or alone?
Yeah, mostly I spend time with my friend because we study together, and make arrange some party. So this we
Okay, now
each.
you've just broken yourself. You just need to complete your answer and one sentence conclusion. So focus the content of your answer, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.